Let's trade again crypto arbitrage trading, buying assets at a lower price in a centralized platform and selling at a higher price in a decentralized platform. So make sure you click the link in my bio to join free classes, and also you comment so that you can get free funding. So we are trading crypto arbitrage trading, and I can see TikTok is somehow restricting videos to be 3 minutes. So I'll be going very fast. You will bear with me. So make sure you buy your assets at a low price in a centralized platform via P2P. And I will be trading actually with trading bots, but I will be trading crypto arbitrage trading. So we are not doing it manually. I'll do a video before I sleep. But this one is also trading with trading bots. And I had done a video some minutes back. So I'll just go to my Ranquilly. Make sure you register your email and KYC, and also you deposit so that you can unlock your trading bot. So after that, you'll come on arbitrage bots. Then you find a bot. If you have 100 USDTs, make sure you find a bot that is 100 USDTs minimum. So I'll be trading with 500 USDTs capital, trading with Triangle Scout. So Triangle Scout has a profit margin of 237 and a loss margin of 10. So that means it is running at a very good profit. I can make double my capital, which is 500 USDTs. And we said it is trading between Coinbase and Binance. You buy low on a centralized platform, sell high on a decentralized platform. But we are trading crypto arbitrage trading with automated bots, which basically will give us more profits compared to manual trading. So I'll deploy my bot. You can see, and we check the profit margin, which the capital was 500 invested. Expected profit is 1,139. So the ROI is 227. That means we made a profit times 2. That is double of our capital. So withdrawal is easy. You just come on your Binance. For those who have made so many profits today, because I do guide a lot of people, then you come and click on add funds. Then you click on deposit assets. Then you click on USDT. Then TRC, that is the network. You copy the address. You go to Ranquilly. You click on withdrawal. Then USDT, because I'm using USDT, you can choose the crypto of your choice. Then you paste the address, you enter amount, that is 44,500 or any other amount. Then you review and confirm. And talking of the arbitrage bot, once you run the bot, you don't have to do anything. You just wait for your profits to be to finish. Then you'll get them in your Ranquilly account. For instance, you can see we made 1,000 today, and we'll be making more before the day ends. So stay guided.